Did you know, in India, it once rained red for weeks, and no one could agree if it was dust or something living. It began one morning in Kerala. Villagers looked up. The clouds were crimson. When the first drops fell, they stained the earth like blood. People said it was volcanic dust. Others said alien spores. But under the microscope, the red particles looked alive. Cells without DNA. At night, farmers heard hissing from their fields. The rain turned thicker, and animals that drank from the puddles stopped moving. When it finally stopped, the red stains never washed away. One scientist took a sample home. Weeks later, his wife found the jar empty and red drops trailing toward the door.